Hello, welcome to the Adobe Muse tutorial. This is tutorial 1, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to basically open up or create a brand new document, or should I say website. So when you first open Adobe Muse, you will get what you usually get on a normal Adobe program, which is a little box that pops up and tells you whether you want to open some recent sites or whether you want to create a new one. So for this tutorial, because I'm going to show you how to get started with Adobe Muse, we're going to create a new site, and then straight away it will come up with page sizes, which is really nice. You can choose how many columns you've got, the column widths, the gutter spacing, the padding, margins, page width and height. So as you can probably see here now, on the page width it's giving us 960 by 500, so that is just what you would call a typical website width and height of a normal site. So we're going to just use that one for now, and we're going to click OK. And then after that it takes you straight to what is kind of like a dashboard, if you want to call it that. And they've already created a home page for you, so you can go straight into that. But the best thing to do when you first start up a website is to basically create all the pages that you're going to have, because otherwise that means you're going to have to go along later on and sort it all out. So if you add another page, and say you're going to have one called About, then by the way, to add a page, all you've got to do is click this little button here. So, and then if you click, I clicked that twice. And then we can call this one whatever you want to call it pictures, and then I'm just going to create one more page and we're going to call it contact. Now as you can see here, this works in two different ways. So say you were trying to create a menu for your web page, this wouldn't be the best way to do it, because these pages that I've added here are not actually in the same directory as my home here. If I wanted to add it so that they're linked together, I'd have to put it underneath. Now I'm just hang on, if you just drag it on top of it, as you can see now, they're all linked together. So that's showing you that the About page, the Pictures page and the Contact page are all linked in with the home page. So that is how you do that. Also, just quickly down here, I'm not going to confuse you too much, but down here is something called Masters. Now everything that you put in the Masters page will show on every single page that you've got up here. So if I was to put a picture of a bat or a cat, that cat and a bat would literally be on every single page here. So that works out really well if you want to do menus and things, because it's something that's going to be on every single page. Or if you're trying to do a logo, you might want to put a logo onto your masters page, and then when you want to update your logo, straight away all you got to do is go into your masters and change it, and it will update on every single page that you own. So that's how you basically do that. Now just quickly as well, if you go into one of these pages by double clicking, it will open up and you get all your normal options and stuff like that, and you can start from there. But that will be in the next tutorial video on what you can do in here. So that was how you create a new website, and this is how you create all pages. And the last thing for this tutorial is how to save it. So you go to File, click on Save Site. It will then go into a directory in your documents, and you can create a new folder and save it that way. Also, this only saves the actual file from Adobe Muse, so it's not actually a HTML file. But don't worry, if you want to save, if you finished your website and you want to basically export it, then all you've got to do is go to File, Export as HTML, and it will basically save all of your files in HTML, and then from then on you can put it onto your web hosts and put it online. So it's the same principle again. It asks you where you want to save it. If you don't like the location, you can just do that and then choose it again, make a new folder, and it will then put it all in HTML for you. So that's been how to start up Adobe Muse and get your pages sorted, and also learning how to save your website as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Please rate and subscribe, and I'll see you later.